Deputy Sergeant Art Guard, then aged 46 years, died in 1989. Real name Jack Starrett. Cast Deputy Mitch, then aged 26 years, now aged 66 years. Real name David Caruso. Cast Deputy Balfour, then aged 27 years, now aged 67 years. Real name Michael Talbot. Cast State Police Captain, then aged 51 years, died in 2011. Real name Bill McKinney. Cast Sam Trotman, then aged 56 years, died in 2003. Real name Richard Crenna. Cast Deputy Lester, then aged 29 years, died in 2018. Real name Alf Humphreys. Cast Pilot, then aged 36 years, now aged 76 years. Real name Charles A. Tamburro. Cast Boy in the Jungle, then aged 16 years, now aged 56 years. Real name Dennehy Wozna. Cast Deputy Ward, then aged 34 years, now aged 73 years. Real name Chris Smolky. Cast National Guard, then aged 28 years, now aged 68 years. Real name Patrick Stagg. Cast Horval the Dog Hunter, then aged 64 years, died in 1994. Real name John McLean. Cast Hope Sheriff, then aged 44 years, died in 2020. Real name Brian Dennehy. Tamburro. Dennehy 36 years. Now age 73 years. Real name Sylvester Stallone. Thanks for watching.